At Trinity Health Michigan, we can perform joint replacement surgeries with the help of the robot. It helps your surgeon plan and perform surgery with a high level of accuracy. Before the procedure, we'll take a CT scan of your joint and use it to create a 3D model. This lets us personalize the surgical plan specifically for you. During surgery, the robotic arm helps guide your surgeon to make incredibly precise and accurate cuts to remove bone and cartilage. This allows us to place your new joint replacement in exactly the right spot according to the plan. The robotic arm never moves on its own, and your surgeon is always in control. One of the really helpful features is the color-coded guidance system. On the screen, areas that need to be removed are marked in blue. This gives us a sense and depth of each cut, again increasing the precision and accuracy. It does not allow us to cut outside the pre-planned area. That means we're protecting healthy bone and tissue while staying incredibly precise. This technology is one of the ways we're using innovation to give you the best possible care.